Ingo, thank you for joining the Data 2020 Summit today. It's really a pleasure having you here, and thank you for your input in the conference as a keynote. And let's start from your presentation topic, from data first to artificial intelligence first. So you have recently visited Silicon Valley, and we believe you brought some really nice insights, like great insights to the presentation. So can you tell us a little bit more about that for our viewers?
Yeah, absolutely. It was very interesting to see how the Valley is looking at these kind of technologies that are now defining the future for most startups, but also those giants like Google and SAP, Hyperight and Amazon. And when you look at the variety of technologies that are used, they all are heading towards a data-driven, intelligent type of model. They are redesigning their customer relationships, and they are solving problems that have never been solved before.
So speaking of which, how do they actually do this, and what are some of the differences that you have spotted in this aspect with organizations there and here?
Yeah. The level of creativity, the global community, the way these companies work with innovation is quite difficult, because in those kind of environments, they look at failure as an opportunity. So they're learning from it. They are risk-taking people. They have investment programs from those investment companies who are supporting the startups in combination with those major big group, what's it called, companies such as Google, as I mentioned. So they work together and they help each other, and then you have the Stanford University as an incubator into the Valley with skills and competences that are unbelievable.
Well, I guess. Well, thank you. So, senior management has a great, actually, impact on incentivizing more like a holistic approach to analytics in data-driven innovation within the organization. So what would be your thoughts on how companies actually can fast-track digitalization and these efforts, these data-driven efforts?
Yeah, the different ways companies are approaching this kind of change by defining programs, or they're looking at specific things to solve when it comes to the customer and the customer relationship. And those companies who are very successful in making short-term developments, looking into this kind of DevOps concepts and the way to use agility in their development, are really successful by understanding what the customer needs are and developing innovation, bringing things together, combining those kind of technologies, but not using the technologies as such. But they are really looking into what kind of problems can we solve to offer better services to our customers.
So start from the problem.
Yes.
Okay. One final question. Well, technology, as we know, is developing fast, right? And along with it, buzzwords and hypes such as IoT, big data, augmented reality, data science, and similar. They have taken the IM discussion by storm.
Yes.
And if you listen to it like this, it might even sound very confusing. So, how can actually organizations, first of all, approach those challenges and make sure that they address these trends in the future?
There are different ways. Some are actually putting efforts into acquiring the kind of talent that you need to develop those kind of technologies and put this into working business solutions. Other companies are finding partners, or they are merging with other business and shaping new solutions for customers by bringing incubators into their existing line of business. And then there are other companies who are probably finding ways by starting a separate business outside their core business. And there are different ways, and some merge this, some bring this together. So there's no one single solution and concept on how to solve this. But the role of the senior management would be that they need to definitely support the direction and support companies in being strategic, but working experimental. more experimental than they ever done before.
So I think you brought up the message of the conference today. Thank you.
Yes,
thank
thank
you
you.
so much. It was really a pleasure talking to you, Ingo.
Thank you.